Hey everybody, it's Chris Link, and I'm so excited to show you all the brand new updates on the Carnival cruise ship, the Valor, after it just got out of dry dock. You're gonna love these changes. And don't forget to give this video a like and comment below when you last cruised on the Valor, or tell me when your next trip is scheduled. Can't wait to hear from all of you. All right, let's take a look at the new and improved Valor. Welcome aboard the newly upgraded Carnival cruise ship Valor. She just came out of dry dock, and I am so excited to show you around this beautiful ship. From brand new food stations to refreshed entertainment spaces and even updates to the staterooms, there is so much to explore. Let's start in the heart of the ship, the atrium. This is always the first wow moment when you walk on board. The soaring ceilings, the light, and of course the glass elevators make it such a grand entrance. Guest services is right here as well. I always take a minute here just to soak it in before heading off to explore. And since I'm platinum, for now, it's an easy spot for me to check in when I need something. Carnival is changing their loyalty program soon, so we'll see how long I get to keep that platinum status. But for now, I'm really enjoying it. Carnival Valor's main dining room is a classic cruise experience. Multi-course meals, attentive service, and themed nights where everyone gets in on the fun. You'll also find some special venues worth noting, like the Art Studio and the Betsy Ross Room, where I once attended the chef's table. Not on this cruise, but I highly recommend it for anyone who enjoys a multi-course gourmet dining experience paired with wine. It was unforgettable. I loved it. I'm glad I did it once. Probably won't do it again, but I'm glad I could check that off the bucket list. Now let's talk about the number one reason a lot of people love Carnival, the food. First up, my favorite, Guy's Burger Joint. If you've sailed Carnival before, you know this is a must. Fresh, hot, customizable burgers with all the toppings, and it never disappoints. New after dry dock is the Wings Station, right near the Lido Deck buffet. It's perfect for grabbing a quick bite. Next door, you'll find the BlueIguana Cantina, serving up tacos, burritos, and made-to-order Mexican favorites. And just steps away is the BlueIguana Tequila Bar, a great place for a frozen drink or a margarita. Of course, you've also got the 24-hour pizza and soft serve ice cream. Now, I'm not 100% sure it's still 24 hours. Rumor has it they are reducing that, but I always find ourselves here relatively late at night. The Lido Buffet is full of variety as well, and don't miss the sushi if you're craving something a little lighter. Upstairs, you'll find the barbecue station where you can grab a plate of smoked meats, and my sweet spot, you know me, the desserts station with cakes and soft serve that rotates daily, plus special coffee spots scattered around the ship if you need your latte fix. And for drinks, the Red Frog Rum Bar is always buzzing with energy. If you're in the mood for something tropical, that's where to head. Food isn't the only highlight on the Valor. The decks are always packed with fun. The main Lido pool is the perfect hangout, with a towel hut nearby if you forgot to pack extras. Families love the brand new Waterworks Aqua Park added recently in the dry dock time. With its slides and splash zone, it's a game changer for kids and even for grown-ups who want to feel like kids again. If you're looking for something quieter, like me, the Serenity Adults Only deck is my favorite retreat. Plush loungers, peaceful vibes, and even ADA accessible elevators so everyone can get up there with ease. Sports lovers, you're covered too. There's a new basketball and pickleball court, there's mini golf, and even cornhole. And yes, there is a fabulous designated smoker section for those who need it. Now let's step inside and talk nightlife and entertainment. The Alchemy Bar, I don't know if I'm saying that right, it's where everyone raves about the cocktails. I always say I'm going to stop in, but somehow I never do. One day I'll make that happen. My absolute favorite, though, is no surprise to you. It's the Piano Bar. This is my happy place on the Valor. The sing-along atmosphere and live music make for some of the best nights on board. I promise if the musician there is super talented, which they usually are, you don't want to miss it. The Heroes Tribute Bar is brand new after dry dock. It honors the military service members. It is a really meaningful spot to grab a drink and take in the atmosphere. Other nightlife spots include the arcade, the nightclub if you're ready to dance, and the Ivanhoe Theater, home to big production shows. There's also this banana room, which, to be honest, hardly ever gets used, but it's fun to peek into. I always have to take a look and see if they've made any changes in there. Now let's head to my cabin. I almost forgot to film this, but I know this is what many of you wait for because cabin tours are always some of the most searched videos. This was our home base during the cruise, and I'll walk you through the space, storage, and layout so you can see exactly what to expect if you book this category on the Valor. Check this out. Carnival has refreshed the staterooms with new lighting and USB outlets during dry dock, so it feels modern and practical. Can't tell you how excited I am about the new lighting and especially those USBs. If you've ever been on a cruise, you know exactly what I'm talking about. For shopping, you'll find a Carnival store stocked with logo gear and essentials, plus my favorite, cherry on top, which is all about sweets and treats. And back in the atrium area is that guest services that we talked about earlier. As a platinum guest, this has been an easy resource for me. Carnival is changing up the loyalty program soon, and while I'm a little bummed about what that might mean, it's still nice to take advantage of the perks while they last. And that's the full tour of the Carnival Valor after her latest dry dock. From the brand new waterworks and updated sports courts to favorites like Guy's Burgers and my go-to piano bar, the Valor has something for everyone. If you've sailed her before, you'll definitely notice the upgrades. And if you're considering booking, I hope this gives you a great look at what's on board. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more cruise content. I've got plenty more tips and tours coming up, so stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next cruise.